shit.
It's the big palm tree. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't even go touch, right?
But then it also quickly melted. A live look outside right now where we do have some cloud cover. Even
It's one of those times.
Think I've ever come across such mischievous
What are you doing?